Yeah, dear student, we continue with our chapter 14 depreciation, and we are again going to solve one comprehensive numerical when the opening balances of the machinery account and opening balance of provision for depreciation account is given to us. Clear? Now, on 1st July 2018, on 1st July 2018, they have sold a machinery for 50,000. Sold for rupees 50,000. Okay? And this was purchased on 1 April 15. This was purchased on 1/4/15 for rupees 1,20,000. Clear? And on the same date, another machinery was purchased for 32,000. Clear? And on 1/7/18, another machinery is purchased for rupees 32,000. Rate of depreciation is at the rate 10% on SLM. This means straight line method or original cost method. And firm closes books on 31st March every year. Prepare machinery account and provision for depreciation account. Okay, no problem. For the year ended 2008 and pass journal entry for the sale of machine. Okay. So as machinery has been purchased on 1/4/15 and balances are given on for 1 April. April 1, 2018. These are the balances on 1/4/18. So definitely this balance included the cost of this machine. Similarly, this balance of provision for depreciation include the provision of depreciation of this machine for the consolidated depreciation of this machine for 3 years. So we have to separately find out the total depreciation of this machine for 3 years, and afterwards we will pass a journal entry. So for that purpose we are going to make a working note. Okay? See, on the top you will write working notes. Now value of machine as on 1/4/15 is 1,20,000. Okay? Less than at the rate 10%, that is 12,000. So that comes to 1,08,000. Now value of this machine is on 1/4/16. Again less than at the rate 10%, again 12,000. As this is SLM or original cost method, so amount of depreciation will remain same every year. Amount is 96,000 and value as on 1/4/17. Now again debt for this year, $12,000. Amount is 84. Now value of our machine as on 1/4/18. Now here this machinery is sold on 1st July. So again we have to charge depreciation for 3 months. So less debt for 3 months. Clear? Now how to calculate depreciation? For full year it is 12 lakh. So 12,000 into 3 by 12. So that comes to 3,000. Okay, sorry. Rate of depreciation is 15%. I am wrong. Rate of depreciation is 15%. So here is 18,000. That is 1,02,000. Again 18,000. Okay, so that comes to 84,000. And again 18,000. So that comes to 66,000. Now 3 months depreciation. So 18,000 into 3 by 12. So that is 4,500. So value of machine as on 1/7/18. Now this is the value of the machine on 1st July 2018. Now here machinery is sold. So less sale. Sale is for 50,000. So always remember this 50,000 is cash received. Remaining is 11,500. So that is loss on sale. That comes to your profit and loss. Now see the TDC, total depreciation charge. Total depreciation charge 18 into 3 54 plus 3 months depreciation. So 54 plus 4,500. So total depreciation charge is 58,500. So that is your provision for debt. This amount you will transfer from provision for debt to machinery account. Now let's pass the journal entry. So bank account debit, provision for depreciation debit, and profit and loss account debit. See how much money is received? 50,000. Provision for debt is 58,500. Loss on sale of machine is 11,500. To machinery account. That is 1,20,000. Write down the narration that being the machinery sold and profit and loss and the loss occurred on the sale of machine recorded. In this way, you have to make working notes and you have to pass the journal entry. Now we are going to prepare ledger for the same. So we will prepare machinery account as well as provision for depreciation account. I am drawing the ledger over here. In the meantime, you can also draw ledger in your register. Now see, we will prepare machinery account. So opening balance given to us of the machinery account is 8 lakh. So as usual, we are going to bifurcate the amount. Because as I told you, the machinery which is going to be sold is to be written as A and rest of the balance is written as B. Clear? So on the left hand side we will write to balance BD. A machinery which is going to be sold 1,20,000 and B machinery that is 6,80,000. As we don't know what other machines are included in it, so we are going to write this thing only. Total is 8 lakh. Clear? Now on 1st April, the machinery has been sold. Sorry, 1st July, so 2018, July 1. Now the entry which we have done for the sale of the machine, so we will do the posting of that thing. Clear? So by bank account, by provision for depreciation account, and by profit and loss account. Okay? In the bracket right here you can write loss on sale. Okay? See how much money you have received? 50,000. Amount of provision for depreciation is 58,500. Clear? And profit and loss occurring on the sale of machine is 11,500. So now our first machinery has been sold. Now we have purchased another machinery. July 1. So to bank account 32,000. Clear? Now we have to balance this machinery account at the year end. So 2019 March 31st. Now we are having two machines. A is sold, B, and this purchase C. So by balance CD, B 6,80,000 and C 32,000. Clear? Total is 7,12,000 and total is 8,32,000. Clear? In this way your machinery account has been prepared. Now we are going to prepare provision for depreciation account. So see how this will be prepared. Now see, we are going to prepare provision for depreciation account. So 2018 April 1, balance given to us is, so always remember, asset will always show the debit balance while provision will always show the credit balance. So balance given for provision for debt is 3,10,000. So by balance BD 3,10,000. Clear? But before selling the machine, we have charged depreciation on machine for 3 months. Clear? So that we will write, that will come in this account July 1 by debt account 4,500. Because after the starting of the year, machinery has been used in the business for 3 months. Now machinery has been sold on July 1, so we will transfer the total depreciation. If you remember in the working notes, I have write one thing, TDC, total depreciation charge. 3 years depreciation plus 3 months. So that comes to 58,500. So from provision for debt, it is transferred to machinery account. So to machinery account 58,500. Clear? Now we will charge depreciation at year end for the rest of the two machines. First remaining is B and new purchase C machine. So 2019 March 31st by depreciation account B machine and C machine. So the depreciation of the B at 15% is 15% of 6,80,000. So that comes to near about 1,02,000. Clear? And on this machine you are going to calculate 9 months depreciation. Clear? So see 32,000 into 15% into 9 by 12. So that comes to 3,600. So total is 1,05,600. Clear? Now in the next year, close this account, make a total 420,100. This is the total coming for provision for debt. Now balance this account 2019 March 31st. So to balance CD 420,100 minus 58,500. So total comes to, balance comes to 361,600. In this way, you have to prepare machinery account and provision for depreciation account, where in working notes you have to make it from the previous date. I hope you have understood this. Solve the numerical. If you have any doubt, then you can let me know. Thank you.